Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we have a special collaboration and it's the Thank You God Collab Fall Edition 2021 and that's hosted by Glam Elegant Living. So now the co-hostesses of this collab is At Penny's Place and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that's me. So I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host channels down below, along with the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos and subscribe to our channels. So in this video today, we're going to be making a Glam Elegant centerpiece vase with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Remember that all the items that I'm using to create this craft will be listed in the description box below. So let's get into the video. So as you can see here, I'm giving the bottom part, what's going to be the stand, to the cylinder vase, 2 coats of black paint, and I'm also doing that to the cylinder vase. So what we're getting ready to do right here is we are using an item called Liquitex that was given to me as a gift, and it's like a gloss finish gel, and it acts a lot like Mod Podge, but it's high gloss. So I'm going to give this a coat, both pieces. I'm going to give it a coat each, and then we're going to apply the black glitter. Then we're going to go back in and seal those pieces so that we don't have any fallout. So what I would like to say in this Thank You God collab is today I'm going to lift up the value of friendship and those that are there and even those that aren't. You know, sometimes people are meant to be in your life and some people are not. Some people are there for a season, some people are not. Some people will reach out and help and some people won't. So I am blessed for the ones that cross my life. Some of them come across my life as a blessing and others come across as a lesson. So today I'm going to say thank you, God, for friends. Thank you, God, for the value of friendship. And I feel I'm blessed. As you can see here, these 2 pieces came out absolutely beautiful and we already sealed them in. Everything is dry, so now we're moving on to the adhesive. I'm using the Fix All adhesive from the Dollar Tree along with some hot glue. I don't think you need anything stronger because the bottom piece is plastic, and we're going to glue that together and we're going to leave that set, and then we're going to start the embellishment. So what I wanted to mention is that I'm going to be using that bling chain that I purchased off of BB Crafts, and also using the rose mesh and the silver that I ordered off Amazon. And I have to say that in all of the crafts that I've made, these items have lasted me a long time. So I totally think they're worth it. So now we're going to start the embellishment process, so I'll let you watch that.